Hi everyone, this is Inegben from Inegben Academy. Previously, we've run our cybersecurity GRC program for almost 2 years, training almost 2,000 students across multiple countries all over the world, across almost 36 countries globally. We'll be graduating a few hundreds again next month. The next cohorts will be coming in soon. Applications will open soon, but there's going to be a change in structure. Prior to now, we had run the GRC program on a 100% scholarship base. We provide the mentors, we provide instructors, we provide resources, we provide the tools, we provide your training, we provide everything 100% free. Right now, we are no longer running it a 100% free program. Why? I'll give you a number of reasons. First thing is we have admitted over 2,187 GRC students over the last 2 years. And in these 2,187 students, we have seen that most of the people who graduated or finished this program are either practicing data protection officers, practicing compliance officers, practicing auditors, practicing lawyers, practicing accountants, engineers who are migrating, technical cybersecurity experts who want to migrate into the non-technical knowledge. We have also seen that PhD researchers, master students who are doing information system management or information forensics. These are the huge numbers comprising of our alumni and graduates. We have realized that not a lot of new entry career level who are non-technical people really understand the relevance of compliance in itself. So the hundreds of students who are graduated or are graduating now are spanning across this career path. So we want to filter down our applicants and our students right from the very beginning. We don't just want to take in a huge number. For example, the last cohort, we admitted 1,743. Currently, we'll be graduating next month. 355 of them would be graduating. That is a good number of graduates. But however, if you look at the numbers to the admitted applicants, then you would know that there is a huge difference. Now, that's not to say about the total applicants. Total applicants was 2,781, which means we did not admit almost 1,000 plus people, right? And how do we want to? That is one of the reasons why it is no longer going to be 100% scholarship. Two is that, as you all know, Inegben Academy is a not-for-profit brand, right? However, we need to also sustain the academy so that it can keep running. Hence why we need to start generating internal revenue to keep the platform floating, which means this platform has been self-sustaining from self-funding over the last couple of roughly 17 to 18 months, right, that we've been running various cohorts. Finally, it's also the value. We've also seen that the value we are delivering is what more than almost practically every GRC program you can find out there. We didn't say this. Our student feedback says this. If you doubt me, you can do your research, find out somebody who has graduated from our GRC program and ask them about our GRC program compared to the program they have taken elsewhere. And you would hear from them, including the same professionals who are working across the Asian region, the European region, and the UK. Right now, we also have students now in the Canadian region. We have alumni in the US, right? So we have students spread across the world. We are not just changing these operations based on these few things. We also see it as a means and a way to also keep our mentors and our trainers motivated, which means prior to now, all of our mentors had volunteered their time and their expertise. But subsequently, we also know that the time they spend with us costs them, of course, fueling or electricity, data, and other bills, and their time is worth everything. We appreciate them, but at the same time want to start appreciating them with tokens and awards. So this also goes into that. Then platform maintenance. So on the long run, we want to also improve the platform and still keep maintaining the platform. Then finally, to get extra hands on board. It has been very bulky with a very lean team managing the numbers of students we have. Just last month here, we had to mark over 1,000 practical cases from our current cybersecurity students. Now you can imagine the workload on a very lean team. Why do we mark this manually? We review everything you submit. So to get enough hands on board, we also need to get enough finance on board. So because of this, if you're anticipating our next cohort, or if you've reached out earlier and we've said our next cohort application starts in May, which is this May, which will be rolling out soon, note that it will not be 100% scholarship as it used to be. So what is the change? The next cohort will be costing $100, split into two payments, $50 on application and $50 in 4 weeks to your graduation. So it means you are splitting your payment into two, 50 before application. So why are we doing this? In case you perceive that this is not worth your time, you are able to save yourself the stress from the very week 4, or let's say week 5 or week 6 or week 7, and pull out. Now, if you commit to the program and you withdraw by on or before week 5 or week 6, you are entitled to a 50% refund of what you've committed to the program. Why are we saying this? We are so sure of what you are getting. However, we also want you to know that because you paid, you can't come and misbehave. It is still as strict as it is going to be, which means our program still maintains its level of discipline, its level of proficiency, its level of commitment, its level of efficiency, and its level of dedication. We are not reducing anything because students are now paying a subsidized amount for the program. We have always said it from day one. If you check the previous cohort analysis before they came on board, the total program worth, with the frameworks we provided, the tools we provided, the templates, the sheets, the resources, the mentors, is currently valued at nearly $15,000. And that is why we have put in a 50% refund policy. So by week 7, right? So out of this 5 to 6 months, if by week 7, which means by the second month, you feel you're not getting enough value, you can request for a refund and we can make your refund and you can step out of the academy. Also, when you are eliminated due to bad behaviors, you are also entitled to your 50% refund. So it means we still reserve the full right to also take you out of the program if you don't meet our standard. What is our standard? We have speed to execution, which means when instructors teach you, you learn on the pre-recorded videos, you are given tasks and assignments. Once you miss deadline, you are taken out. And once you are taken out, you are entitled to your 50% refund. This is why we are creating this awareness to let you know ahead of the next cohort that the structures are changing, but our discipline, our commitments, our values remain the same. What just changed is that we are now adding a token to the cost of our program. So if you are anticipating the next cohort, also anticipate that it is coming with $100 cost. This is the necessary information we want to pass out. Thank you.